Yes, the one where the door is. I hopped out to this stuff here, but I went fast enough.
That's your car?
Excuse me, man.
Sorry.
Sir, where's your vehicle?
Off the side of the road.
Are you involved?
No, sir.
You're not involved?
No, my car is stuck over there.
Okay. You folks involved?
My car's over here.
Okay.